in Texas?
Out here, you know.
That is it?
Can't man, you know, come with that foreign.
That is it?
You
Yeah, oh, stop. Remember we hungry now, we not eat yet. Go stop in front of people them farm. People them nice quality farm. Yeah.
Look over here. It's a road that enter Poland now. First me enter now this road.
Oh shit, a different road this. Master.
First me enter this road. But the road
Twinny,
is been up.
say hi.
Don't spam.
I see the next car there. So it's 2 cars of us traveling, guys. And then me afraid. Tell some people if zip line boat 3 times.
Christopher know yourself.
If only beauty that show up on the camera. You say some things is just for the naked eyes.
And some things no look pretty on the camera. Show
Yeah, that's
and look
just
at this side. Can't show up on the
Maybe
camera.
one don't know if you do them and sit near.
Christopher not
Then just a drive bull book about down the road.
When me and man carry the road, we can go see me and Christopher.
Yeah, then it's about down the road and go with the ras them about. This is the one point of driving out the road trip.
drive Poland edge, like the edge of Jamaica up on the top.
Oh, that must be pretty. We can do that before we come.
Right.
Yeah, and every time you see people.
So tell like when you tell like code, you know I code up, give them see your code, Christopher give them a Nicky. It's a pass.
Which bridge is that?
I don't know, so which bridge is this?
I carry people and that's the community. Guys, I go buy chicken back and sit. No way, I walk back. Heel. Got 215 say a pound.
I told you that 350 chicken.
And we pay $3,000 for just the chicken and the chicken back.
You should have never taken that cutlass.
I'm so tired. And the speaker, yo. That's how you drive on the car.
Somebody carry this.
Where you are going?
I go
I tell you not let us go.
Oh, put this in there.
Hello, the camera, come. Look at.
But you want to call him now, but that's him.
What? You touch a look around down. The water look inviting still. But I didn't think he like half. I open when no like half. The man must have wondered where we disappear gone with the cutlass after me tell him. After me say, me I go right here so I can carry back. The cold, you know, you're nasty so man. You know cool. You don't want no cool. Kind of chill if it's true still. It's cool for true actually. One mermaid. My mermaid friend. I don't know what time we are going. That's how this night how the chicken I keep this out keep it cool.
Why? The chicken now want to
Come. Alright, come. Oh, we okay sitting them? This time I work with sugar and you see how sugar just put the chicken already. No time for waste, no chattings. Chicken have it out. A food we say, starve for life. See, will it be here? Oh. Two of my friends like so we bread move outside. Instead of drop off without even take a piece from them. What you gonna do with a knife for that spread? See Rajay there.
Rajay, what could you pick out here?
Call one of them man. They're fast scout them, but they're not top scout.
Why is this so? No matter how much I love you, you can't find me at love. You just dance. You just fuck up and groove and feel bad.
Any vagina is on. Hello, take you up. Any vagina is on my camera. Me not for myself, me live lavish and see a fine. She's on me regular magician, ready for the hands in the rain. Me no want see no rain. Me say me no know how me go feelings of life. How much in clothes me no know. Still I travel with life and I'm gonna run. But do me out, but do me out. I feel like we did learn, but we still are good. In the dark and I'm here alone. Can't even talk to us different. It's like she vex. She watch my video and I say me never go like the right for yet. And I tell me say she might reject. But if I girl don't make me a man, then she never spite me yet. She make your weed for me stress, then give me jacket in the sun and tell me easy. She say me no time, so me no time me sneak. Cause I get no life, so for me rightfully me in the street.
The first thing is if you do it cool, you can't get this to work. You not tell exactly about life, like your certain knowledge here that you You know, because you first pick up a cent car, you're hungry like that. So. Oh, right. I say I want to cook it, so. Uncle, when we cook, I make it exactly what I Alright people, we are cooking some dark meat so yes, I Portland the country people yeah. See that? Right now, two we are cook right now. You ever hear about them telling us people that just cook pepper pot, any meat to catch you just put in there. We have mountain goat in that, then we have dog, every animal you can think of. Yes, this is one hungry, I can see it from him. So one hungry man, what's that? Let me can't eat it. I don't know what they're there. See them best stuff. Yeah? See chef I want to tickle, so you must know say aye. Aye. Looking at your pot.
You see? Next thing me did in the water now.
And people want to know say we are real wildlife. Over here so we catch a turtle and cook him right now. Over here so we catch him and cook him. Look on the meat.
Give me a cup of water.
I'll know still a jump in our pot. They want a cup of water. See that they match up bread before because you know so they're hungry. The hungry people will run this. Yes, and this we are cooked today. All of this. This a girl here. No make it pretty face fool you. We need them 3 pounds. No make it pretty face fool you. No make it pretty face fool you. You see? That them are one day over there so. No make him a body fool you neither. No make him a body fool you neither. You need them everything.
We need water.
What need water there? So I 3rd class of water you fuck.
Can for your eye, me.
The 3rd class of water.
Gravy and then we can.
See they catch up our video.
3rd class catch you water. Yes man, I 2 lovebirds over here so. See them there, they don't look good. Yeah man, I 2 lovebirds. So they man look alike together. Aye. Yeah. So when I'm moms, I just want to take you know all like woman them pretty, you know.
You see after me cook the curry chicken here? Me can't cook. Me just telling you so nobody call me when no pot for cook. Can't say me never want to know.
Cookie food I go cook nice so you know.
Yes, so me I telling you for now. Just don't remember say me can't cook.
That me I tell them a girl nowadays if you're not pretty so I can't cook it no make sense. If you're not pretty so I can't cook it no make sense, you better not change your face.
Where Rajay there with the water?
Jesus Christ. Can't show down below because I come like a second building of under there. Jesus Christ. Wow. So the man them do the damage and they help on the chain. So what kind of effect you left? Jesus Christ.
How many members can a store but we can turn down and engage?
But you don't see the chain sprint out in the neck.
Right.
I breast them, man, I breast them.
Me say at night time. One like half.
Night time what?
Night time when the sex gets sweet, the man grip in them part there.
Spring water.
Yeah man, Skeng hungry. Skeng want to run on that jerry pot them. 3 rice and a meat pot, but we are waiting for the rice done. Skeng hungry. Yeah man. I put what I weak, you know. Wanna look for him good. No man, no man, see me. Free of cost. You're not picking him nothing, just take him up and give him look front. See, yeah, pull down there. Aye. Pull down with them. Boop, boop. Better believe, man. We are blood killers. I saw no hungry, no go on. I'm full before no come a people place. No hungry, I saw no go on. Tap come a river call the pen pat. Tap come a river call the pan pat. Look at him. Look, I can catch him up. You're not sure if you have mangoes your fuck. Come through.
People remember say my daddy this my daddy have video.
All who know barnyard, tell me if you know if you have mangoes in a barnyard with the red nose. Yes, this is my friend who do modeling and something, yes. So she a top modeler. She a Instagram modeler. For the wash, yes, I'm coming darling. If you don't want a shout out, you can shout out. She a Instagram model. This is a mutated rat. Just like Ninja Turtle was recreating a store, but it's a rat to mutate. Look for him. Aye.
Bite him. Big sound, what she fever? It's a go.
After eating, we swim, then we decided to leave. On our way home, we stopped at this really cool place called 205 Kitchen or 21 Kitchen. I forgot, but y'all will see the name of this place somewhere along in the vlog. Y'all, when I tell you, the food did good, the vibe was good. We had a few shots there. We listened to some music. Oh, it's 420. They had a 420 cafe there. It was good. It was good, I must say. Cheers! 3, 2, 1. This one. Sugar not take none. Go record this.
Nice.
Represent for your place, represent for your place.
We are home, finally, Lord. Who buys original chicken anymore?
I don't eat spicy.
Yeah, just leave anyone. Except that. Look, who have one leg?
Let me see a plate.
Give me